Hello everyone. Are you wondering what drip means? Let's explore. Drip is a slang term used to describe someone's style or outfit, particularly when it's considered fashionable, high quality, or impressive. When someone is drip, it means they're dressed in a way that stands out, often because of their choice of clothes, accessories, or overall appearance. The term is frequently used in the context of streetwear or luxury fashion, where looking sharp and well put together is highly valued. Drip is about making a statement through fashion, showing off one's sense of style with confidence and flair. In essence, having drip is about being fashionably impressive, combining elements of personal style with current trends to create a standout look. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.